wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best transcription kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Express Scribe Pro comes with a heavy-duty foot pedal with a wide, stable base. When used in conjunction with the included software, you can control several functions with it, while your hands are free to type. It connects via USB and supports multiple formats. However, it doesn't come with an instruction manual. At number 9, the Olympus AS2400 offers seamless integration with an office's workflow and allows you to share dictations and data between colleagues, locations, and departments. It recognizes multiple file formats, making it even more versatile when working with groups. It features noise-canceling functionality and a hands-free operation, but it's not compatible with all file types. Coming in at number 8 on our list, if you're used to dealing with several documents at once, the Philips 7177 SpeechExec has an assisted workflow management function that organizes data and lets you search according to priority status, keyword, name, or file size. It can receive files via email and FTP and is equipped with an intuitive user interface. However, Windows 10 is not supported. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for transcription kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, compatible with most dictation machines from the same company, the Olympus AS7000 is equipped with their proprietary software that's designed to streamline the workflow of an individual or team. The pedal has 4 buttons to control multiple functions. It sorts files automatically and comes with a very compact headset, but it doesn't support the M4A format. Moving up our list to number 6. With a highly intuitive user interface, the Philips 7277 SpeechExec Pro takes a lot of the effort out of recording and playback, leaving the user free to focus on transcribing. It features a priority mode for urgent recording at a moment's notice. It's compatible with both Windows and Mac OS and includes document creation software. However, note that the license expires after 2 years. Halfway up our list at number 5. Those seeking the freedom of wireless connectivity might consider the Express Scribe Pro Bluetooth. Its sleek headset adds to the portability, and its 5-hour battery life helps you work uninterrupted for long periods. It supports both audio and video playback and works with all major word processors, but of course it does require a Bluetooth connection. The YBS Olympus Complete Starter Kit is ideal for small operations that still require professional quality results. The DS2500 recorder has a high-quality microphone that consistently provides excellent clarity. It offers seamless integration between devices and multiple connectivity options. It comes with an SD card. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Philips DPM 6700 features a vibrant color display, a lightweight headset, and a sturdy foot pedal. It's equipped with 2 integral microphones, a stainless steel enclosure, and a protective case for storage. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for transcription kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, with its intuitive design, the voice recorder of the Olympus DS2600 DT Starter Kit can append, insert, partially erase, and overwrite recordings mid-session. It provides hands-free playback and editing via the AS2400 foot controller. It comes with a multifunctional switch, an easy-to-read digital display, and a rechargeable battery. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the digital recorder in the Olympus DS9000 DT Starter Kit works well in environments with lots of ambient noise, thanks to its directional microphone and triple-layer noise filters. The improved audio quality enhances workflow efficiency for better results overall. It boasts encrypted digital recording, an ergonomic foot pedal, and a shockproof shell. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for transcription kits, or simply click beneath this video.